My name's Logan Heaton.
And I'm her partner, Jordan Peppers.
And our movie's on gravity. Let's get started.
Today's topic, gravity.
What are you trying to do?
I am trying to send this orange to the sky.
Why?
Oh, if we send orange in the sky, the seeds from orange would become a tree. A lot of oranges would grow in the sky.
Oh, that would be nice.
But it always falls down. Even the apple fell down. Why does it happen that all the things fall down?
That is a very intelligent question. All things fall down because of Earth's gravity.
What is gravity?
Oh, again an intelligent question. Let me show you something. Look at this. You know, Earth is like a big magnet. It attracts everything towards it.
Gravity! Earth's power to attract things towards it. But how is Earth like a magnet?
Oh, we will have to go to the Earth's inside. Have a look. This is Earth from outside. Earth is divided in 3 parts: crust, mantle, core. We have crossed Earth's crust and now we are passing through the mantle.
It is very hot in here. I can't go further.
Yes, in the core of the Earth it is very hot and there's a lot of iron. Because of high temperature, the molecules in iron moves very fast. The movement of these molecules causes the attractive force, which is called the magnetism.
Inside Earth's core, molecules of iron are moving fast due to high temperature and creating an attraction force.
Let's go back to top of the Earth now.
Oh, what a relief. It was too hot inside.
Yeah, just see upside.
Yes, there are many apples on the tree.
Yes, these are not falling down.
So the Earth's force does not work on them?
It works, but if the force which is holding things up is bigger than the gravitational force, things don't fall down. Branches are holding the apple up, so the holding force is greater. When apple becomes big, trees can hold it up and Earth pulls it down.
Now, I know that lots of you out there probably don't know what gravity is. So before we get started on our experiment, I'm going to tell you what gravity is. Gravity is a degree of intensity measured by acceleration.
First, I will demonstrate one of our experiments of gravity. In my left hand, I have a rubber ball, and in my right hand, I have a triangular dice. And I will drop both of them at the same time and see which one hits the ground faster.
Can you blow my whistle, baby?
If some of you had guessed that the rubber ball would hit the ground first, well, you were wrong. It was actually the triangular dice that hit the ground first, because the triangular dice weighs less than the rubber ball. In a recent experiment you saw with the rubber ball and the triangular dice, here is a fact that some of you may not know.
Objects with mass are attracted to each other. That is known as gravity.
Now for our second experiment, I'm going to drop a pen and a yearbook and see which one will land on the ground now. Now, let me ask you this. If some of you guessed that the yearbook would hit the ground first, you were dead wrong. The pen actually hit the ground first because what we just said in our first experiment, this has less weight than the yearbook. Now, before we move on to another experiment, here is another fact. It is actually thought that Isaac Newton's theories on gravity were inspired by an apple falling from a tree.
Today's topic, gravity.
Oh, who is he?
Oh, we are in history. He is Isaac Newton, sitting under the apple tree.
Oh, Isaac Newton discovered gravity. Oh, an apple fell down on his head.
Yes, when that apple fell, he started thinking, why is it falling down?
Yes, he must have thought there is some magnet which is attracting the apple.
Yes, you're right. And then he realized that Earth is like a big magnet which attracts things towards it.
Even these kites doesn't fall down.
Yes, the air is holding them up. Let's do an experiment.
Oh, these are magnets.
Yes, you can play with them.
Let's think. This magnet is Earth and this nail is an apple.
See, Earth is attracting the apple.
Let me note down all these things.
Earth has a magnetic force which tries to pull things down.
What are you trying to do?
Oh, I am checking Earth's gravitational force.
All right, keep checking.
Now for our third experiment, I'm going to drop my hairbrush and Logan's dumbbell to see which will land on the ground first.
Can you blow my whistle, baby?
Now here's something odd that I thought would never happen. The dumbbell actually outsmarted my hairbrush. It actually hit the ground first after let's just say before my hairbrush hit the ground. I think it's because my hairbrush doesn't work well with gravity. Okay.
Can you blow my